Be still. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Monday. It's another week. And gising tayo dyan. Umaga na. So yes, be still. So it's Monday and supposedly, di ba, parang hype tayo. But what I'm trying to ano ba yun? May mga maliliit na ano ba yun? Insekto. What I'm trying to convey is be still. Parang kalma lang, diba? Kalma lang tayo. As long as you surrender everything to the Lord, you ask for guidance, for protection na magiging matagumpay ang linggong ito. Believe in it na magiging matagumpay ang linggo na to. Kaya be still, kalma lang, kalma. Nandiyan naman si Lord eh. So as you walk today, as we walk today, let's just surrender everything, pray for everything, do good, be kind, share love and goodness, and I'm sure lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na i-share natin mapapalitan yun ng maganda din sa atin, diba? So kalma lang, kalma tayo, and magpatuloy, keep going. Ayun lang, kalma, be still, okay? Nandyan, niwala lang tayo, nandyan si Lord to guide us in everything we do. So yeah, ingat tayo, ingat, good luck, and God bless ating lahat for this Monday and for this new week. Annyeong, mom.